Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you how we can make this SEO score to 100%. As you can see guys, this video, the SEO score is only 10%. By the way guys, this video is my old channel video. This is the name of my old channel, this one, Trend Today. Okay, let's edit our video. By the way guys, if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing and also like and share this video. It will help me a lot. Thank you. Okay guys, to make your SEO 100% score, it is just very easy. Okay, I'll show you. Let's start. The title of our video, it should be available in our description. And then in our tags, we should put, where is it? Here, we should put like 400 to 500 characters. So I have tags here. I will just copy and paste here. Okay, our tags have 494 characters. As you can see guys, then the name of your channel must be available in tag, and also the title of your video must be also available in your tag. And another thing, our tags we must also put in our description. We will write here tag, and we will paste the tags which we copied. Okay, after that we will go to our title video, and we put here like bar, or what we call this, I don't know. Just put bar, and then take one of our tag like this one, and then copy it and paste it into the title of our video. Okay, just make the first letter capital like this. Okay, and then again put bar and write here your channel name. Now highlight all the title of our video, copy and paste it in the description like this. So I think we're good to go. Let's save our video and we will see. Let's copy the link of this video, and we will open another channel which has tube body like this. We will just paste the link which we copied and enter. Now let's wait if the SEO score become 100%. Wow, as you can see guys, it's already green and 100%. We did it. So that is my strategy guys on how to make my SEO score 100%. I hope this video helps you on your search engine optimization. Thank you guys for watching my video, and sorry for my bad English, and hope you understand what I'm saying. And that's it. Thank you.
Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you for watching.